Before this video starts, I would like to apologize if I don't sound like I know what I'm doing. I do know what I'm doing, it's just that I don't normally script things like this in front of large audiences like YouTube. I'm more used to scripting things by myself, and sorry if I make a bunch of typos. I'm going to practice audience more, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? We here, and today we're going to be learning about data stores. Now, what is a data store? So basically, a data store is something that will store data. What will you use them for? Well, money systems. Generally money systems. As long as you leave the game and then you come back and it's there, it's most likely a data store. If it's not, it's HTTP service, which I highly would not recommend. So now let's get started by inserting a script, and let's start defining our variables. So local data store service equals game calling get service calling data store service, and then local data to be equals DSS calling get data store. Let's call this money, because we're going to make a basic money system. So now we're going to do game calling get service players dot player added connect function, and let's specify player. Let's do player instead, and then we're gonna do local folder equals instance dot new folder, and then folder dot name equals leader stats. So if you want like a leaderboard up here to like have money, name it leader stats with the lowercase s. We're going to do that, but if not, just call this whatever you want. And then okay, also we need to specify the parent of the folder. Folder dot parent equals player. So basically this is what. Now I am going to answer this question, why not just do player? Apparently there's like a little bit of lag if you like use the second argument in instance.new. So that's why I don't use it. So local money value equals it's an instance.new. And then there are two kinds of values you can do. Number value, if you want to like have, let me show you, $6.62. But if you want just $6, use an integer value, which is just instance.new int value. I'm gonna leave this in the description. So number value, make number value to int value if you don't want $6.61, for example. Okay, and then money value dot parent equals folder, and then now let's do money value dot name equals money. So basically if you want it to be called cash, you would make this cash, for example, and then money value dot value. This is a little bit tricky, so what you want to do is data to be, oh no, forgot the equal there, make sure you have the equal there, data to be calling get async player dot user ID, and then this is where let's add a default value. Local default value equals let's make it 100. So basically, or is gonna make it default value instead of this. So let's do, I don't know, right here, default value. So then after that, we want to do, let's make a function. So normally people would do a change event and immediately set it. But we're going to do something called pcall. Always, always, always use a pcall whenever you use set async. So we're going to do local, let's do local function set value. So then we're going to do local error, okay, local success, done equals pcall function. So basically if it, oh wait, why is it, 1 second. Okay, basically what I did is I did this wrong. This is what I would recommend doing, but I do it a different way. It's a little bit more complicated. Now we're going to need to pass some arguments. So we're going to pass, let's call it money to be set. So basically this is going to be the number over here. So, and let's also pass money value. So money value dot value equals money to be set. So this is the alternate. So I know people just immediately do set async, but your data can get corrupted like that. Okay, wait. So let's do if success. Wait, no, it doesn't matter. So basically, this is all done. So now let's do money value got changed. Kind of calling connect function, and then no, need that. And then basically we're going to do set value, and then we're going to get money to be set, and then we're going to do money value value, and then the money value is just simply money value. So yeah, this is the recommended way of doing it. So now we're going to do something when the player removes. We're also going to do the same set value thing. So we're going to game colon get service players dot player removed connect function player. So basically, player removed event is called whenever the player leaves the game. So we're going to do set value, and then we're going to get the money that needs to be set. Wait 1 second. Did this wrong. So I'm going to try without the data store. So yeah, we don't need the data store. So data to be colon set async. Okay, we also need to pass the player. Let's call that player. And then player. Set async player dot user ID. Yeah, it's a good thing I caught this, or else I would need to redo this entire video. And then money to be set. So wait, no, money value. There we go. So basically we're gonna save whatever number is in here, And yeah, so now we're gonna do the same thing down here. So we're gonna do game. Okay, now we're gonna do player dot money value. Okay, player dot leader stacks dot money, and then we're just gonna copy and paste this into here dot value, and then we're gonna pass player. Now we're all done. This is the more reliable code that we need. Now, if we were to test it, let's make sure there are no errors over here. Okay. And then, once we're loaded, we're going to see we have $100. Yep, we have $100. Now normally I would just change it, but we don't have anything to do, so let's set this to 500. Any outputs? Nope. So if I were to, so data stores have like a debounce of saving data every couple of seconds, so we can't just like constantly change the data and expect it to save. That's like the only flaw with it. So if I were to leave and then rejoin, we should have $500. Let's play the game again. Just waiting for it to load. And as you can see, we have $500. So normally people would just not add the pcall thing, and basically this script is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave a link to this game in the description below. I'm also gonna have like I'm also gonna add something that you can like add your value, and it'll just run. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!